What's happening, everybody? Your boy Big Brando, and I've been getting a lot of comments and a lot of people second guessing one of my videos. Now that video is when I showed the wash test between a lot of different Plastisol transfers, and I show two identical t-shirts, one that's been washed, one that was brand new. In that video, I show the one that's been washed. Obviously it was folded. After I washed my clothes, I folded. A lot of people for some reason were saying that's a brand new t-shirt. I could still see the fold marks in the t-shirt. Obviously some people wash their clothes and they don't fold them after, so there's that. I show the brand new t-shirt and obviously it's been folded up too. So a lot of people are saying, I don't know about that. That seems kind of fishy. It looks like two brand new t-shirts, blah, blah, blah. Now this brings a lot of other questions that people want to ask me, and it's how do I fold my t-shirts? Do I do it by hand? Some people asked if I use like a cardboard cutout to fold around. How do I get it to fit inside the clear poly bag? A lot of different questions started to come up around that in the comments, emails, DMs, all of that shit. So in this video, I'm gonna show you exactly how I fold my t-shirts, why those t-shirts that I showed in the video had the fold marks. Obviously, after I wash my t-shirts, I fold them the same exact way if I was bagging up a brand new t-shirt. I have the same folding technique, whether I'm doing something that just came out of the laundry or if I'm folding it up to bag it up and send it to a customer. I don't change up my folding techniques for at-home shit with, you know, the stuff that I'm doing with my brands. I fold every t-shirt exactly the same. Kid's shirt, woman's shirt, men's shirt, doesn't matter. I use the same exact technique. So let me move the camera down. I'll show you guys exactly how I do it, how I fit it into those poly bags. Also, I will show you this thing. This right here helps you fold t-shirts when you need to do a ton of them really fast. This is a lifesaver. It makes folding t-shirts really, really easy, and you could get a shitload of them done really, really quick. All right, so I'm gonna move the camera down, show you guys how I do this. All right, so we're gonna teach you guys how to fold your shirt just like this. Brand new shirt for all of those out there. Extra large, all style, 1701 heather gray t-shirt, brand new. And this is how I fold t-shirts. I lay it out, whether you get it brand new, I just pressed it, I'm about to bag it up. I would lay it out flat like this, front side facing down, and I fold two right here. So this is where the collar's at. I fold in towards the collar. This extra sleeve right here, I fold over just like so. Do the same thing on the other side, boom, boom, and then I fold the sleeve in like that. This edge right here gets folded to the armpit, and then fold it over like that, boom. This is how I fold all my t-shirts. I fold my shirts just like this if I'm putting them in my drawer for my own personal shirts. When I bag them up to put into poly bags like this, they fit perfect. As you can see, this never fails. A lot of people seen the video where I show the wash test of different Plastisol transfers, and they're like, hey man, that's a brand new shirt. It's never been washed, because you could still see the lines from the fold. Obviously, you could still see the lines if the shirt's been folded, because that's exactly how I fold it. Now, if you have a hard time folding your shirt, you could buy something like this. This right here can be found on Amazon. It's dirt cheap. I want to say like 10 bucks, 12 bucks, something like that. And this one's called Flip Fold, Ultimate Folding Tool. Little instructions right here how to do it. I'm going to give you guys a rundown on how it's done. Once again, I'm going to be folding this face down. So you go straight to the edge, lay the shirt out flat. This is very quick and simple. This, if I'm folding a ton of shirts for an event or something, I usually use this and bang them all out. So if you could see towards the end, this is the end of the folder. There's a lot of extra t-shirt right here. This is the extra large. I usually fold it over just like that to the edge of this, just so you guys could see, and then you fold over one side, boom, fold over the next side, boom, and then you fold in that little sleeve, and then you just tip that over, and it'll fold it exactly like that, so you can bag it up. Same exact thing just putting it into this little contraption. So I showed you how to fold it without this thing, and then I also showed you how to fold it with this thing. Same exact result. It'll fit inside a 9x12 poly bag. These are self-sealing for anybody. I'm pretty sure people are gonna ask, where'd you get those poly bags from? These right here were from Uline. This is a 9x12 t-shirt bag. Self-sealing. This one has the glue strip, so you peel this off and then you seal it onto itself. There's some that are cheaper that don't have this thing, and then there's some that just come flat and then you're supposed to heat seal it yourself. These ones right here are pretty easy to do. Pull that off, seal the bag up, and as you can see, it'll fit perfectly into this bag using this folder or the method that I showed you. So I'll go over it one more time to show you guys how to do it without this. If you didn't want to spend money on this thing, this is how you would fold it. Lay it out flat. I'm folding to the peaks in this collar. If you could see that, let me pull it down. These peaks right here, this is what I'm folding towards, all right? Obviously, here's the collar, there's the tag. You just press this shirt and you want to fold to these points right here. So let me move it sideways. Hopefully it's in frame. Here's the point right here and right here. And that's all I'm folding to. Fold it to there. Obviously, you're gonna make it nice and straight. Fold that sleeve in. Fold this side over. Make it nice and straight. Fold that sleeve in. This right here gets folded to the armpit. And then fold it all the way over. Finished product. And if you wanted to put it into this little bag, it fits in this little bag. So just to show you how it would go down, there's the bag. Laid out perfect inside this. Like I said, 9x12. This is the glue strip. Just for the video purpose, I'll pull the glue strip off, and then you fold this on itself. There you have a perfectly packaged up t-shirt ready to send out to your customers. So if you wanted to buy that thing, you could buy it on Amazon. Dumb cheap, like I said, 10, 12 bucks, something like that. Or you could just fold it by yourself, folding to the points of the t-shirt. This is how I fold all my t-shirts. This is how I fold it if I was going to put it in my drawer, if I was bagging up a brand new t-shirt, whatever it is, I use this method. It's never failed me, and it, like I said, it fits in these 9x12 bags. These things are cheap too. You could buy a box of them. I think they come in like 100 in a package. They come in something like this. So there's 100 of these things in here, and you could buy a box of 10 of these packs, 1,000 of these little bags for dumb cheap. Like I said, they're on Uline. Check them out. I don't remember the price offhand because it's been a while since I bought these things. All right, hopefully this helped you guys out. If not, and you have another method of folding, by all means go for it, but this is the way that I do things over here. All right, catch you guys on the next one. Yeah.